Hello everyone and welcome to another review of a faction from Combat Patrol magazine, Hatchet and Partworks. So, fourth faction, Black Legion. So what we'll do is we'll start with issues, what we got in these issues, and also the weapons that they asked us to do on data sheets. Really, I should have put the data sheets out on here so we could have a good look at them as we're looking for our models. So yeah, we'll get straight into it. So, as I say, fourth faction also came with the special limited edition character number 3, which was Harken the Well-Claimer, our special character there, and also our Demon Prince from our premium box set. So, our first mini that we did get was in issue 31, the Dark Apostle. So here he is with his Dark Disciples, with his scripture absolutely riddled in green flame. I hope you guys like the colour scheme. So there they are. And we'll move straight on. So Dark Apostle, issue 31. We then moved on to issue 33 and 34, which was our Chaos Space Marines Legionnaires, part 1 and part 2. And there they are. Total basic. Still got a lot of work to do on them. I'll one up there, if you can see that. Painting the gold trim was an absolute nightmare for me, but we kind of got there in the end. Obviously, got some highlights to do, some shading, but obviously these guys came out months ago. It's about 5 months ago now, and I feel it's actually time that we got these guys shown off. So, as they put on the data sheet, their weapons: the bolt pistol, the bolt gun, the melted gun, chainswords, and the Chaos Heavy Bolter. And yeah, that's issue 33 and 34. We then moved on to issue 35, 36, 2 parts again, with our Havocs here. So again, all of them total basic. Need to spend a bit more time on them, but however, this video did need to get out because, as I say, it's like half a year ago. Old news, these guys now, as we've moved on to, I think, our 7th faction now, which obviously just did a cult sneak preview. If you guys want it, I have started them. There you go. But we'll save that for a later video. So yeah, issues 35, 36, 2 parts. And our Havocs, they asked us with the data sheet, heavy bolter, chain cannon and missile launcher, and a last cannon there. And then we had our 2-part again, 1 and 2 of 2. These were issues 37, 38, and it's our Hellbrute. There he is. I have started shading him with his desert kind of rugged base. So with that, they asked us to have his Hellbrute hammer and his plasma cannon. So there you go. And then we had only a 1-part this time, and this was issue 40 with our Terminators over here. Again, total basic, but to me, battle ready. We get them on the table anyway. So with that, they wanted the combi weapons, an auto cannon, power fists, and a power fist with chainsword over there. And then we went on to our premium box again, obviously, and I've made the custom base there for this dude. So he's standing on rock with lava underneath it. Like I say, I'm no Golden Demon Award winner. I've tried my sort of like utmost best, I suppose. Still learning. But that's how he looks at the moment. I'll see, as I say, I'm still working on these guys. So that was our premium box guy. And then, as I said before, they've been asking if you want to subscribe a little bit further and get a special character. And in this instance, it was the Harken Well-Claimer, standing on Imperial Fist dude. So he was our character number 3. No, he wasn't. He was our character number 2. Sorry. Number 3 was our Orc. And that's him there. So let's also have a look at some points worth here. So our Dark Apostle down here at a 65 points. We also have our Hellbrute. I'll move up to the Hellbrute, I think, first. And 130. Obviously, this is 10th edition. Obviously, it might subject to change later on in the future when we go into 11th. Probably mid-year. Havocs at 125. Terminators at 180. Our Legionnaires at 90 points, if I remember. And who else do we have? We've got the Harker Well Claimer as well at 90 points, and our Demon Prince at 165. So with the cost of this whole magazine, it did work out cheaper. Obviously at £9.99 each, and with our special character as well at £9.99. And our premium box worked out for the individual character at £25. Obviously UK currency. So round all that up. Sorry, we'll go back onto the points again. Sorry. So yeah, 845 points for these guys. Jumping a bit ahead of myself here. So 845, which is, yeah, nearly 1,000-point army. Just get yourself a couple of vehicles, maybe a Land Raider, for example, and then you're good to go. So so obviously, as I said, magazines at £9.99 each, special character at £9.99 as well, and with our premium box character at £25. So pricing all in all, £89.91 for the everything excluding the Demon Prince here, and then obviously at £25.99. That'll round that whole off up to £115.90 if my brain is correct. So yeah, not bad. Nice little save in there. So with that, obviously, I did find for this kind of Combat Patrol box, in the old one, on eBay, it's going for roughly about 135 quid, which is obviously more than the newer one, but obviously we can't get this Combat Patrol one anymore with these guys. And obviously we did get add-ons. Terminators are not in the old one, so it's pretty much just the Havocs, the Dark Apostle with his Dark Disciples, Legionnaires, and the Hellbrute. So yeah, there they are, all done, and I hope you guys forgive me for the sort of colours. I am still working on them, but yeah, as time goes on, we need to get these guys on the table, start getting some battle reports in. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon on the next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.